Good morning all. Today I welcome you all in the course Arduino Interfacing using MATLAB. In this course you will learn about how to interface Arduino hardware with MATLAB, also the basics of MATLAB like how to create a variable, how to work with workspace, how to create different control applications like how to design a transfer function, how to plot a Bode plot, like this. In this presentation we will explore the exciting world of Arduino interfacing using MATLAB, also the benefits, examples and future possibilities. Here is the overview of Arduino. Arduino is an open source hardware and software platform used to build electronic projects. Basically in this project we just use Arduino Uno. In this Arduino Uno basically there are 13 digital pins and 5 analog pins. MATLAB is a programming language used in scientific computing and engineering domain. We can interface or use both, or you can say we can take the help of MATLAB and Arduino IDE for programming the Arduino. Okay, here why we go for interfacing? Because of automation, automatically control your devices, sensors, actuators. Simplicity, using MATLAB to create graphical interface and visualization for your Arduino projects. Scalability, other advantage, it make your project scalable by connecting multiple Arduinos together with MATLAB. Here how we can connect or how we can interface Arduino using MATLAB. First step is install support packages in MATLAB. You need to add library of Arduino inside the MATLAB. After this, connect your Arduino to the MATLAB. Before this you just install your Arduino IDE also, because it will provide you the driver of Arduino. Next you just code in Simulink in the MATLAB, that is a part of MATLAB. Then you can monitor and visualize your devices, your sensors and your actuators. Here are some examples. We can interface temperature sensor using Arduino. We can use in robotics also to control the robot. We can also display any component or any character over the LCD display. We can display the sensor value over the LCD also. Here are some future possibilities. We can go for Internet of Things, we can go for artificial intelligence, we can go for virtual reality also using AR VR with the help of Arduino and MATLAB. Here is the conclusion of this. In this presentation we explored the power of combining Arduino with MATLAB for interfacing. We learned about the advantages, some examples are there, some future possibilities are also there. It is now your turn to start interfacing and see what you can create. So let's go with our course. So thank you all.